everyone, welcome to my craft studio. Today we're going to do a quick project using a cutting machine. I'm using the Cricut Maker. We're going to be making these quick and easy gift tags. You download it onto your computer, a free download from my website. You will get a sheet with tags, a circle, and a cutout for the reindeer. And you can separate those in Cricut and make it on different colors. This is a great paper scrap buster, and I used different scraps I had laying around from last year's projects, and these are some of the cards I came up with. So the supplies you're going to need today is the free PNG download, and you're going to need your Cricut Maker or other cutting machine, and download this to a cut file, and you're going to place this on your mat as different colors that you want your things to be. I made a bunch of reindeer, and so I made a bunch of whites, a bunch of silver, a bunch of colored papers, and red glitter. And then for the cards, I just used whatever scraps I had laying around that was the right size, and made those also. And then with the Cricut, you can also put on their pin function, and I wrote on here to and from on the back of these cards before they were cut out. And then I embellished them with rhinestones and stickers and ribbons and bells. Just give them a little extra interest there. Alright, so go ahead and cut that out and come on back and we will start making these. So you're going to you will have some tags. You'll have your circles, and you will have your cutouts. And I pre-made some of these already. So just glue your reindeer onto your circles, and then apply your nose, either a fuzzy ball or a sequin, whatever you have on hand. And then just kind of like lay things out to see how you want this to look on your card. I think I like this layout here. So I'm going to glue these on top of each card. And you can use any kind of glue that works with paper. I just have a glue stick here. And press that down firmly on there. Glue sticks are nice. This one here is disappearing color. You see the noses I used on these are little pop-up dimensionals that just stick right on. Trying to get to the edge there. Sticks a little better. Yeah, put that on there right. And press these down firmly. Here we go. That's looking pretty nice. So next we want to embellish these. I'm not going to glue the rhinestones on with a glue stick. I'm just going to do a little dab of glue here. I'm just going to make a little spot right on my piece of cardboard I'm working with. You can use a toothpick, paintbrush, whatever you have. You can dab a little glue either on your rhinestone or right on your project and put that rhinestone right on your reindeer. And this glue will dry clear and you won't even see that on there. So for other things that you have here, I have a variety of embellishments that I had found laying around. I kind of liked this one here, and need a little bit of rib in there. Just going to dab a little glue on the back of this ribbon. And I'm just going to place it at the bottom of the card. And I'm going to trim off any excess. There. Okay. Like that little touch of sparkle. And this little cinnamon here, I'm going to put a little glue on the back of that. And these embellishments are just things I found laying around in my craft room that I thought would be work very nice here. I'm just going to push that down on that glitter. Had to get a little heavier glue to put that cinnamon on. Didn't want to stick on that glitter ribbon. And cut off any excess again. This one's coming along nicely. Had some sequins laying around. And let's just put maybe 3 over on this side. And match it on the other one. There we go. These are looking very cute. And on this one, I think I'm going to put one of these dimensional poinsettias on. It just has a tiny little thing on the back. Let's add a little bit more glue there. Push that down. That's very cute. Now in here I have a bunch of other variety of embellishments. This is kind of cute. I might hang this from here. Little Noel. That might look good over here on this black. The contrast on that is nice. Here's like some little snowflakes. Let's put this on this red plaid. All right. A little more glue there. Put one there, here, here, and there. You can be very creative when you do this. Looks like a little drop there. Might as well use that drop of glue. That's looking very cute. And this one's pretty much ready to go also. So on the back of this little sentiment, add a little glue. Line that up better. Yeah, let's put this little dollop right there. Okay. This little Noel I might hang right off of the ribbon on this one. And let's get a bell for this. Now we're going to string some ribbon through. Just going to make use of these bells I've had laying around. And I'm just going to tie one single little knot there. And just tie these ends together. And we'll just cut those off, clean them up a little bit. There we go. That one's all finished. Alright, this one's next. I have some cute red and white ribbon here for this. I'm going to string it through here. Let's put it through that O. Just like that. There we go. Tie a little knot on the top of that one. And another piece of ribbon, white and gold. Match kind of theme going on here, and I'm going to string it right through there. Tie a knot with that one, and now these are ready to put on my gifts. Alright. Those were quick and easy. Came out adorable. And make a few more and my presents will be ready to go under the tree.